I'm Issa and I'm studying business information technology. I had some friends who had already studied here, who had gone down the same pathway as me, and they were constantly just telling me how strong the options are for placement, the amount of knowledge you pick up, how it correlates straight into a workplace if you're going to go to a workplace straight after university. So all of that came together with the sport as well, and it was the only really possible place for me to go to that was the perfect fit. I play beach volleyball. I also play indoor volleyball for the university. I moved to Bournemouth because it was where the National Academy setup was at the age of 16. And then that linked in with the strength of the volleyball here at the university. It's just made life so much easier. Finding beach volleyball in my second year at the academy to then progress to be now one of the top players in the country playing the sport has just opened so many doors for me. Every year, both sporting-wise and in my studies, things just seem to get better and better because the staff around me have been helping me with everything. So whether it's planning my time so that when I'm away at a competition, I can still catch up on work, knowing where I can go to extra classes so that I can improve or meet whatever standard it is needed so that I can go away. So everything's kind of just worked together to keep improving every year. I love food, so with friends I would always try and go out to whatever new food places or different cuisines that we haven't tried yet. So I love Greek food, figured out I love sushi, so mostly would go to any places like that. And then also just hanging out with friends, watching TV, playing Xbox if I have like an hour free. I think Bournemouth is definitely one of the top places to go to with the landscape that we have and just the university in general.